The Puriflame Alice 50 inches recessed electric fireplace is a sophisticated and stylish addition to any home, offering the perfect blend of elegance and warmth with its flush-mounted design, log set, and crystal options, powerful 1500W heater, and compatibility with 2x6 stud spacing. This electric fireplace from Puriflame brings a touch of luxury and comfort to your living space. Let's explore the features that make the Puriflame Alice a standout choice. Sleek flush-mounted design. The Puriflame Alice electric fireplace features a sleek flush-mounted design, allowing for easy installation into a 2x6 stud spacing. This seamless integration gives your room a clean and contemporary look, while maximizing space utilization. Whether you choose to install it in your living room, bedroom, or any other area, the flush-mounted design adds a touch of sophistication to your interior decor. Customizable flame effects. With the Puriflame Alice, you can create the perfect ambience to suit any mood or occasion. The fireplace offers both a log set and a crystal option, allowing you to customize the appearance of the flames. The realistic flame effects simulate the natural flickering of a traditional fireplace, adding a cozy and inviting atmosphere to your living space. You can easily adjust the brightness and intensity of the flames to create the ideal ambience for any setting. Powerful 1500W heater. In addition to its stunning visual effects, the Puriflame Alice electric fireplace features a powerful 1500W heater. This heater can efficiently warm up a room of up to 400 square feet, making it an excellent heating solution for colder seasons or chilly evenings. The adjustable thermostat allows you to set your desired temperature, providing personalized comfort for you and your loved ones. Convenient remote control and timer function. The Puriflame Alice electric fireplace comes with a convenient remote control that enables easy operation from anywhere in the room. With just a few clicks, you can adjust the flame brightness and heat settings, and even set a timer. The timer function allows you to program the fireplace to turn on or off automatically, ensuring you come home to a cozy environment or fall asleep to the soothing warmth of the flames without worrying about leaving it on. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.